Here is part 2 of Layout Editor in Panel Pro. Hi, I'm Tom Kvichak, and this is Tom's Trains and Things. This channel was created to help other modelers who are in need of guidance in pursuing their dream of building a model railroad. So let's get started with part 2. Let me rotate this one. Let me see if I can get this at a right rotation. I'm going to put -30 into that, and that looks pretty good. Let me see what that looks like over here. Maybe I'll do 5, so that'll be -25. And I'll give us enough room so we could play around with this yard right here and have everything out of the way. So what we'll do is take a track segment and put that track segment in there. -25 degrees also. We'll see what that looks like. Okay, so that's pretty close to that one there. Okay. That looks pretty good. Okay, so we'll put that right there. Put a track segment in there. Okay, we got to put another anchor point in. And we'll put a track segment. Okay, we'll make that an ellipse. Turn to ellipse. And we could make this a little bit bigger. We'll zoom in on that. We'll put it like that. All right, we'll come down here. And we'll zoom this down to 3. Okay, this is going to be down here. And we're going to flip that one, or rotate that one. -25. Okay, so we'll have that one go this way. Have this one come down here. And do this one a -25. Okay, so let's connect the dots. We'll put this one here. We'll put this one here. We're going to add a couple of more points. This one's going to come straight out here. And we're going to put one down here. And we're going to put one about right here. So let's connect this one here. Oops. Not an anchor point, I want a track segment. Okay. Forgot to change it to track segment. Okay. So track segment. One there. One here. one here. Move this one down here to make that one look straight. We're going to zoom this down to 2. Delete this one here. Come on. And then we'll just extend this one out a little bit. Like that. Anchor point right here. We'll make this the edge of the panel right there, and another anchor point right here. And so we'll do a track segment here. On this crossover right here, we're going to hit the edit, and we're going to give it turnout Rock Creek crossover right there. If you have 2 separate turnouts on there, like 2 tortoise switch machines operated from two different numbers, then you would add a second physical address and put that in right here. But since we're not doing that, we're just going to click done, and we'll be able to operate it now. And I don't know if you could hear it in the background. Now this one right here, we're going to do the same thing. We'll do done. Boom. This is the turnout I entered, the last tortoise switch machine I entered, and this is 110, so this is Rock Creek Industry. So we'll do done. We'll store the panel. Click store, and it's done. And we'll see what this looks like right here. Another thing we want to do is add the circles around the turnout so we could identify them easily. So we'll go to the turnout options and set turnout circle size. We'll do 4. Well, we'll see what 3 looks like. I had 4 on the other side. Okay, and turnout options. Show turnout circles. Boom. So these are a little bit smaller than other ones. We'll put it back into edit mode, and we're going to label text, and I'm going to put the main title in here. Rock Creek Industrial. We'll hit the shift key and put it right there. And what we can do, font. So let's make it a different font in here. Let's make it Arial black so you can see it like that. Okay, and font size, we'll make this a 20. I got to put allow repositioning so I could put this back over towards the center. Okay, 1, 2, 1, 2. Put it about just like this. Okay, that looks good. Here is what the panel looks like after I moved it over just a little bit closer to the left edge here. That was a long one, and I hope you learned something from it. I learn something every time I turn on the computer and try to do something. So keep an eye out for more videos on Arduino, on Panel Pro, and model railroading. So until the next time, we'll see ya.